Hey guys, today I want to show you a magic trick. So I got some cocoa mix here from Swiss Mix. I want to show you this magic trick. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I think from now on I'm gonna show you my magic tricks, different kinds that I have, because this is something you guys don't know about me. So I'm gonna pour some cocoa in here, and what I'm gonna do is magically make the cocoa mix. So for that, of course, we need like the normal type of water. So I'm gonna pour some hot water inside. So let me actually get my magic to work here. So let me see here. Let me concentrate. Oh man, I think it's working. Hold on, hold on. Gotta get my concentrations in. Man. I feel like I could do this for a while, but kind of this is new to me, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm losing it. Okay, gaining the concentration with my mind now. This is mind control. Spinning it. Oh man. But anyways, guys, I want to show you how I did this magic trick. I could teach you how to do this magic tricks in this video, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, let's start the video. Guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit about magic tricks. Have you ever guys like watched this one magic trick where somebody takes like a cup and he's like a Chinese guy in like a video, and he's like a really good magician. I don't know what his name is, but sometimes I watch these magic videos, every once in a while, for the entertainment. And sometimes I wonder, like, how do they do that? So what he was actually doing, he was actually making the water rotate inside of a cup of tea. And I was like looking at him, like thinking, how does he do that? And like I always think there's got to be something else behind it. Well, I think I actually found what it is. I found this cup right here that it's kind of interesting. There's like no batteries inside yet. Due to the temperature of the water, because it's hot, let's say like a cup of tea or cup of coffee, it will actually make it rotate on the inside. So I got it. I haven't tested it out yet. I did wanted to share it with you guys to see like what it looks like. I actually found a secret coupon code that supposedly it's only going to work for like 1 week. So if you guys are watching this, hopefully, if you try to actually get it, hopefully that coupon is still active. I'm going to post it in the description below. I'm also going to leave a link to this company's YouTube page where they have this cup. They're kind of like taking it apart on there. I just kind of thought that video was kind of cool, that they take it apart and they show how it's like spinning and stuff. I found them on YouTube channel. I was just like, looking through some stuff like this, and I stumbled upon it. So I don't know what that is. Let's go ahead and actually get this thing out. Wow. Pretty cute little cup. Okay, guys, this thing is actually made out of metal. I could feel it. And then we have this little lid right here. So you would think this is something that you could actually twist it on there. Obviously, you can't. And then you have a stainless steel cup inside. Now I could kind of see how it works. You see, there's this little thing at the bottom over here. Okay. All right, you see this here? This is obviously made out of like some kind of magnet. So if you drop it in there, look at that. It just goes where it needs to be. Let me try that again. So there's like nothing in there. So I guess in this video I wanted to do something like something interesting, guys. But so there's like no batteries inside. Like there's nothing here. So if you want to like, I don't know, like just for the conversation piece or something, you know, with your friends, you know, or like your kids especially, because I'm gonna be doing this with my kids. You could just take this cup and you'll show it like it doesn't have anything in there, and then you know how they say with a slide of the hand or the wrist or whatever. So you'll throw this in there, probably even in the cup while there's fluid in there, so nobody's gonna see that there's actually anything in there. And then all of a sudden you pour in the coffee in there, you know, the hot coffee, and then it's gonna start rotating. But you could be like, ooh, I'm making this water spin, you know, something like that. I think there's always some kind of explanation to these magic tricks whenever they do them. There's always a secret. Like sometimes I'll watch these YouTube videos that they reveal how certain like tricks work. I didn't see any reveals for this one, but as soon as I seen this cup that according to the fluid, like once you pour it in there, it starts stirring, I'm like, okay, I could see how I could use this as magic. In one of the videos, guys, I'm actually going to show you one of the magic tricks that I've learned from one of these Magic Larry or something. I guess his name is. I haven't watched his channel in a while. But the trick is he takes like a beer can or soda can. He'll find it like in a trash can, and he's like pulling it out of the trash can, and it'll be like all bent, you know, like this. So you know, he'll twist it over and he'll show it to you that, you know, it's been opened. Obviously, somebody drank it and stuff like that. So he goes like this, and he just like rotates the cup, and then it starts kind of like filling out and like making it like bigger and bigger, like it becomes a full sort of like, you know, a beer can or a Coke or whatever. And then he just like pops it open and starts drinking, or he pours it out. So it seems like really impressive. Like you're thinking, how the heck does he do that? I actually know how to do that, but I'm not gonna show it in this video because I actually don't have any sodas in my house right now to show you how it works. But when I do it with my kids, they're impressed. They're thinking I'm making soda magic like here in the bottle, but there's always like in a can, soda can. It could be like mineral water or like anything, and they're like, Daddy, can you make you know, like more soda up here and stuff like that. Like with kids, it really works. I mean, it even fools a lot of adults. I've seen like some videos where like cops, like it's, you know, it's coming up to this Magic Larry, and he's like, you know, he'll have like a beer can, like it's open. He does this, and beer appears, and he's pouring it out, and the cops are like completely fooled and stunned. They're like, how does he do that? Like he'll make sometimes like where he'll like throw this beer down, you know, can down the roof, like on the ground, and like he does it so that he grabs the cop's attention. And they're like, you know, he'll do it in front of a security guard or like a walking by cop, and they're like, pick that up. You better pick that up. He's like, no, you know, look, there's cleaners. You know, they could come here and they could clean it up. They're getting paid for it. I'm you know, providing jobs by looting. He's like, you better pick it up. I'm gonna give you a ticket. And he'll like, okay. And you know, the cop just like flies in his hand. He just like walks away. The cop's like, what? How did you do that? You know, I guess, guys, this is another thing that you know about me now. There's other things that interest me. There's a lot to this coin here. I have many faces, you know. There's a lot of stuff that interests me, and that's like one of the things. It always kind of like was mind-boggling, especially like with my parents growing up. They're thinking, like the devil's making all that stuff happen. I'm thinking there's got to be like a scientific explanation or whatever. But in this case, it's scientific. I've never seen anything like this before, guys, to where just because of the temperature of the fluid, this will literally spin for 3 minutes. And in 3 minutes, you could really impress your friends. You're like, yeah, I'm making this thing spin. And, you know, you could put a timer on there. And they're like, yeah, let me try. And you're like, yeah, go ahead, you know. And it's about to be over. Like, you probably, like, pass the cup over, like, when it's already, like, 3 minutes, you know. And it stops spinning all of a sudden. And, you know, they're like, hey, why isn't it not working for you? It's like, well, you know, your magic is not powerful, you know, whatever. You know, you could do something like that. I mean, it's just kind of like to have fun with it because, you know, this is obviously, that's not the idea. They didn't sell this for magic tricks. This is not the cup's idea. This is actually the idea so you could mix any kind of like mixtures in there without no batteries required and stuff like that. So it's like environmentally friendly and safe and stuff like that. I'm really happy that it's actually not a stick, because I thought this cup is going to be a lot thicker, and I was kind of thinking, will this even fit in a cup holder, like in a car, you know, stuff like that. Of course, they do sell the battery operated stuff, and of course with that battery operated stuff, there's a button over here on top, and I just don't like that at all, because you have to constantly replace batteries and stuff like that, and it could go bad, you know. And this this actually will never go bad because that's just how it is. I did actually ask this company, I don't want to break my cup because they are kind of expensive, but I did kind of ask him if I could submerge it inside of the water, like how do you actually wash these things. But I mean, you could just, you know, pour water in here and obviously wash the insides, and you could remove this, you know, plasticky magnet little piece, you know, you could remove it, and you could kind of do it like that. But I would not actually dunk it underwater. I mean, I don't know if there's anything electronic on the inside, but I've looked at the design, and it looks like it's all being done by like metal. When it changes the temperature, something expands, something contraction, it starts spinning, which I think is kind of cool. I really like when stuff like this kind of comes out. I always want to kind of like test it out and see like what it's all about. But anyways, guys, I'm pretty sure I already showed you a picture over here of it doing its thing, because, you know, obviously I could add these things at a later point. If you are kind of like interested in getting something like this, obviously I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you guys could go pick that up. And I will put a code probably in my thumbnail, so you're going to actually have it in my thumbnail, so, you know, it's going to be clickable. That's why I'm really not even going to say what the code is at this point. But guys, I think this is kind of interesting, don't you think? You know, be sure to check that link out, because if you like, you know, for your coffee to be stirred so you don't have to actually have a spoon, because really, like, that's like one of the uses for it. So you could just like pour, you know, some sugar inside and some coffee or whatever your desire is, or maybe you want to make some cocoa or something. Just because you pour hot water inside, it's just going to start spinning. And I just kind of think it's kind of cool, especially if you can't see this little white thing. And you could just come up to somebody like, look, I'm making my coffee spin. I mean, I think it's, you know, it's convenient enough to take a spoon and spin something, but like, why not have something that will spin by itself and it's never gonna die because there's no batteries inside. Like, it's made to work because of the hot water. Guys, let me know if you like this video, because I'm trying to do something different on my videos, you know, all the time, you know, because sometimes I do like unboxing videos and, you know, something I bought for myself or something else that I'm showing to you guys that's kind of like available. Let me know if you kind of like this idea, you know, of me finding something like this, something that's interesting. I see interesting stuff all the time, you know, and sometimes I just want to share it with you guys, because sometimes I end up picking it up for myself, and then, you know, boom, there it is. So I hope you guys are happy with me sharing this. If you guys are new and you just found my channel, I make videos every single day, all kinds of topics. You could just go to my like playlist and you could see everything is organized in a playlist, so you're not going to get lost on my channel. So whenever I come up with a video and whatever it's related, I'm just going to throw it in that. Obviously this is going to go in the unboxing video category, because that's what I did. I opened it up, and you know, I don't do enough magic videos to make that happen. But when I will, because I will probably make a magic video, how I'm gonna like how I would use this and give you guys some ideas, because I haven't seen anybody else do that except that one guy, and that was really impressive to me. And they said some kind of saying, you know, like Moses, you know, split water and stuff like that, and I could do this in a cup. And he had some girls around him like, really, how you gonna do that? And then he's like, yeah, just pour me some tea, you know. And he, you know, they poured a tea in his cup, and he's like, you know, he does this thing with the eyes, and he's just like, the water just starts spinning, you know, like, and the girls are like so impressed. And I'm thinking, how the heck does he do that? Like, you know, at that point I didn't see any cups that was like self-spinning. So I think he was using a very similar cup where it didn't have any batteries, because they took a cup and like, oh, is there any batteries? Like, and he probably pulled this thing out too, so it's really impressive because you can't see that. And I think the fluid was like kind of colored, and even if it's white, especially if this thing is spinning already and it's creating waves, you're not gonna really see that, you know. So, but anyways, you probably already seen how it does that in the video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and like my video if you like this kind of video, guys. You know, take care, guys. See you in my next video.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.